Types of functions. One function or injective function. A function f from x to y is said to be 1 to 1 if and only if x1 is not equal to x2 or fx1 is not equal to fx2 for all x1 x2 belongs to x. If fx1 equal to fx2, this implies that x1 is equal to x2 and for all x1 x2 belongs to capital X. In other words, if different element of x under the rule f have different images in y is called one-to-one function. For example, this x has image 1, has image 2, 2 has image 4, 3 has image 6, 4 has image 8, 5 has image 10. This is called one-to-one function or injective function. Okay, then is many-to-one function. A function which is not one-to-one is called many-to-one function. For example, 1 has same image C, so C has the pre-image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C has the multiple images. Okay, so a function which is not one-to-one is called many-to-one function. Then is on-to function or surjective function. A function f from x to y is called onto if and only if every element of y is an image of at least one element of x. In other words, we can say that for every element of y is an image of at least one element of x. In other words, we can say that for every y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x, such that y is equal to fx. Here 1 has image 4, 2 has 8, 3 has 12, 4 has 16 and 4 has pre-image 1, 8 has 2. For every y there is equal to x. Okay, there is an ex. So this is called onto function. Then is into function. A function which is not onto is called into function. For example, x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is, so in all y there is no image of 12 in x. So this is into function. In case of onto function, ry is equal to y, whereas in the case of into function, rf is proper subset of y. Then is bijective function or one onto function. So function which is 1 1 and onto is called bijective function, and it also called 1 1 correspondence. For example, x and y, for every x there is y. 1 have image 4, 2 has 8, 3 has 12, 4 has 16, 5 has 20. So this is 1 1 onto function. 1 1 into function, when every element of x has image